In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile bank accounts in Xero. Starting off, we need to head to the Xero website. This is your go-to destination for managing your accounting online, so fire up your web browser and type in xero.com. Once you're there, the next step is to locate the login button, which you'll find conveniently placed in the top right corner of the homepage. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Xero homepage. Here, you'll want to direct your attention to the section labeled Business Bank Account. This is where you'll manage the reconciliation of your bank accounts. Under this section, look for an option labeled Reconcile. This is where all the magic happens, so click on it to move forward. Now let's talk about reviewing your imported bank statement lines. Xero automatically pulls in transactions either from your bank feeds or from statements that you've imported. This step ensures that you have a comprehensive list of all your financial activities ready for reconciliation. Take a few moments here to go through these lines to ensure accuracy and completeness. Once you're on the Reconcile screen, Xero does a pretty neat trick. It suggests matches between your bank statement lines and existing invoices, bills, or payments you've recorded in Xero. It's like having a personal assistant take care of the nitty-gritty part of your finances. Review these suggested matches carefully. If a match is correct, you simply click OK. This step streamlines the reconciliation process significantly, allowing you to quickly confirm accurate matches. Now keep repeating this process until all the bank statement lines you see are correctly matched, or in some cases, newly created if a corresponding record doesn't exist. This is your chance to make sure every transaction aligns perfectly. It's essential to be thorough here, because once you finish, your bank account balance in Xero should ideally match your actual bank balance perfectly, giving you a clear and true picture of your financial standing. And there you have it. You've successfully reconciled your bank accounts in Xero. The beauty of this process is the efficiency and accuracy it brings to managing your finances, allowing you to rest easy knowing your accounting is in order. Make sure to conduct these reconciliations regularly to maintain accurate records and have a smooth financial operation. Thanks for joining today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, happy reconciling.